A data center migration is the relocation of an organization's IT infrastructure from one location to another. This could involve moving physical servers, storage equipment, networking equipment, and the data they hold.
So some of the critical factors that Technimove will assess as part of the discovery phase would be to understand the customer's existing environment. So looking at the existing racks, looking at their existing hardware that's residing in the rack, state of the cabling, how the cabling is running. For example, is it running under the floor? Is it running in overhead tray work or containment? Is it going via patch panels? And also to assess things like rail kits, and also the actual data center itself in terms of any access issues. From a resource perspective, how many resources we will need to deliver that project. That is all essential stuff to actually plan and execute the data center migration. It will also enable us to work with the customer to develop and design the destination rack design, advise in terms of actual migration phases, depending on the size of the environment, whether we need to deliver it in a phased approach.
Every migration plan is customised. No two environments are exactly the same. Our project managers work closely with the client to understand business priorities, timelines and budgets.
Some of the common risks that we look to mitigate include minimising downtime for a customer, particularly if it's a production environment, minimising any risk of damage to hardware. We follow a proven migration methodology.
Security cannot be compromised and neither can confidentiality. We implement strict access controls using encrypted transport method, ensure compliance against industry standards. We plan every step to the finest detail, often completing projects in phases to minimise downtime for our clients.
So our project management and operations team are highly experienced. And these guys will make sure that we plan and resource correctly the data center migration to make sure that we minimise both the risk and the downtime. We have a highly experienced engineering team who have delivered thousands of complex and critical data center migrations. There's nothing they haven't seen, and these guys are there to make sure that the project is delivered successfully.